else to clean up.
Now, what did those rolls of paper towels ever do to you? Someone's throwing a tantrum in a bad mood today.
Tear up paper towels, it costs too much.
Go.
You know what?
I got this. Because she sacrificed herself. Because she refused to
You in a bad mood.